Hello, fan collectors. I am back again. Here is a 1979. It's a second-gen Lakewood k-223. It's a Kmart. With that sparkly badge. It's a good fan. I recently found a grill for this when I was out of state. Now it finally has a rear grill, finally. It's in decent. It's not the best shape, but see, there's some paint missing there. A lot of rust on the bottom, but this one's got a McMillan motor. This is a pretty good fan. I knocked out the knockouts because I had it on a stand at one point. Let's give this fan a little demonstration. Here's high speed. Man, this one moves some air too, like the third gen. This one's a good air mover also. The hub is medium. And here is low. In the background, I have a metal blade set for a Lakewood I bought off eBay. Oops. Yeah. I've actually ran this blade on this box fan before. It's pretty awesome. Let's go back to high. And always, OFF spells off. See the coast down on this fan. This is a pretty good box fan, actually. This box fan started my fan collection. Yep. Yeah, with this metal blade on it, it still runs the speed of like with an S23 or a P23 Lakewood box fan because they have the metal blades. But yeah, this is a really good box fan. I mean, the startup sound with this blade is really awesome too. Please subscribe.